It is time for some round layers. Now, we are doing this haircut completely dry, no shampooing, no blow drying. It is already dry. Let's just get rocking and rolling into this haircut. So the very first thing I'm doing is I'm combing the hair straight up and establishing that layer on top. Once I've done that, we're gonna work from that top section to establish the rest of the haircut. So, as you can see, I'm taking sections, combing them up, and using the previous section as my guide to complete the layering on the top. So now that I've got the right side of the layers all complete, it's time to do the left side. So same thing, combing the hair straight up, using the previous section as my guide, and establishing the layers up on top of this haircut. Now that the layers on the top are complete, it is now time to start the layering on the side. So, as you can see, I'm combing the hair out, and I'm using the top as my guide to basically blend in the layers on the sides with the top. Now that we've completed the layers on the upper half of the sides and back, it is time to cut the outline in the back. So, my client wanted to keep some length back here, so that's what I'm doing, and then from there we will carry on with the rest of the haircut. Now that we've cut the outline, it is time to do the layering on the lower half of the back. And so what I'm doing is I'm simply taking sections, combing them out using the section above where I cut the upper half of the sides and back, and blending those layers from the upper half to the lower half. Now that we've got the outline and the layers complete, it is time to go through and texturize the haircut. As you can see, I'm taking the points of my scissors and chipping in the ends as well as slicing through, just to give these layers a little bit of texture, a little bit more lightness, just to make it a little bit more lighter for my model and my client so that she can obtain the volume that she likes up on top. Now it is time to cut the bangs. Not a whole lot to explain here. We just want to get them high enough so that they're not in her face. Alright, and that is it. We have completed some round layers, keeping a lot of the length in my model's hair that she wanted to keep. So, I hope you guys like this video. If you have any questions or comments, put them down in the comment section below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more great content coming your way. And as always, I want to thank you so very much again for watching.